Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create your own Arduino library, step by step. Step 1. Write your Arduino library code. To do this, we need to create two files. One called the header file, which we need to declare our function. And the other called the CPP file, which we need to implement the function we have already created. First of all, let's create our library folder. So let's do our header file. First, we need to start with the header guards and add our code between #define your library name and #endif. For the header guard name, it is generally recommended to use your file name in uppercase and append h. No, we need to write our function. The function will take two parameters and return the percentage. Finally, we have the prototype of our function. Now, let's create the CPP file. Here you just import your header file and implement the code for the function. Step 2. Now let's use this function in our Arduino sketch. To do this, we need to create a file named example and put our Arduino sketch in it. And make sure you put the correct .eno extension to this sketch file. Open the editor again in order to use our library that we created. First, we need to include the header file and create a simple program to calculate the percentage using our library. You can add this function to display your final result on the serial monitor. Step 3. Finally, we need to include our library in the Arduino libraries file. To do this, we need to compress our library file in zip format. Then open the Arduino IDE program, go to Sketch, include Library, and add Zip Library. And to make sure that our library is included correctly, we can go to File, Example, and search for our library name. Finally, we can run this code to make sure it works well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.